Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to do analysis here in Apple. As we can see, after this long rally, it is trying to make a negative kind of scenario, like a retracement kind of scenario here. Now here actually I am little bit in negative side, but in negative we have to be careful because here it is trying to go upside and upside. So these are the level which can act as a support kind of level. So this can act as a buying kind of pressure can come, so volatility kind of thing can happen here. So yeah, actually I am in negative in this for now. Next in ABBV, here in ABBV, as we can see, it is continuously creating a bullish side of candle, but as we can see, this is the point where it is making a bullish candle, but the bullishness is not that kind of powerful. So here actually I am planning for a retracement kind of scenario, like a negative scenario can come here, a selling kind of opportunity we can get here. And after this upside move, it can try to create either a volatility here or it can a retracement here. So I am planning for a negative side of scenario at this point here. Here in ABT, it is again, as we can see, it is continuously going there. So here if I am not interested toward buying side, because now see, it can try to go upside, but it will go upside, and if it try to go downside after this buying move, it try to go downside, then I am interested toward that selling kind of pressure here, because here I want a little bit of retracement here to go upside. Either if it open gap up, then I'm interested towards selling side, like a initially it can create a selling side of scenario, after that it can try to go upside, that kind of scenario. Here in ADB, as you can see, this is the point where it is acting as a retracement resistance kind of scenario. It has broken and come down here. Now here it has closed below this area, so now but still a bullish side of thing can possible, like if it open gap up, then I'm interested toward buying side, but if it open flat or negative, then I'm interested toward selling side here. Here in ADP, it is like, see, it is following the trend line here, so we will just follow, and I'm interested toward buying side here if it open flat. Here in AMD, see, the selling pressure has just come and negative side has gone. Now here I'm again in negative side, but we have to be careful because this is the point where this can act as a support kind of area, so it can be a hurdle for it to cross, but still I am negative on this until and unless if it open gap up kind of scenario. Here in AMGN, see, this is the point where selling happen. After this, it is trying to create a cup and handle kind of scenario. Now the point is that, see, this is the point of resistance. If it open gap up, then initial I'm interested to our selling side, then after that selling pressure, if we try to go again upside, then we can plan for upside. But until that point, even if it open flat and try to go upside, I am not too much interested in buying. I am a little bit more interested towards selling side, like a breakout failure kind of scenario. This is planned for here now, and if it open gap down kind of scenario, I will be more interested to do buy near about this area, because this is the level where if it open gap down, and it can create a support kind of thing here, so I am interested to get this buying movement here. Here there is nothing, as you can see. I am actually expecting a retracement kind of thing, like how a retracement, like after this selling pressure, it has created a very big negative candle here. Now this is the point where support kind of area is there, so I'm not expecting that more selling pressure or more big upside candle. I'm just expecting a little bit of either doji or small type of candle I am expecting here. After that small candle, we can plan to go negative side of scenario here. Here in AVGO, there is nothing, because as we can see, it is in choppiness zone is here. See, it is trying to make a range here, but after this break, it has continuously here, so this is the choppiness zone for now, so there we will do nothing here about it. This is again, see here the trend line has just crossed here. After this crossing, if it like give this up, if it open flat kind of scenario, or say after this breaking on smaller time frame, if we see this is the thing, like it is trying to give an upside scenario. Now if we try to open flat and try to go upside, and after that upside if we try to go a negative kind of scenario, this is the point we can try to catch. Like a trend line is there, this is the point, break, retest and go kind of thing. So we will try to get this point here. So I'm buying side on this, like not buying, but a little bit of upside pressure can come here. After this upside pressure we can try to short and try to catch this point. And in scalping we can also try to catch a buying move here also, but it's little bit tricky to buy here, but it's easy to short near about this area. Here is nothing. Here actually I am bullish in this. As we can see, it is trying to go upside, and this is the point where it is holding, so I am interested toward buying side, not in negative side. Here it is following the trend line, so we will also follow the trend line, but as you can see the trend is going to steep here. So if it give a quick momentum then we can plan, but if it don't give a quick momentum then I'm not interested towards that. Here there is nothing. Here after crossing this range, what happened here is that it has given a breakdown kind of scenario. Now here as we can see the still gap is there, but here if it like open near about this area and if it try to go downside, I'm not interested to a selling side. I'm waiting for a retracement kind of thing, so I can try plan for that kind of retracement, because this is the area. As we can see, this is the point, this is the point. As we can see, it can still try to go on upside momentum here. So even if it try to go down, I am interested toward buying sides of scenario here. Here there is nothing. Choppiness cone is there. Here in IBM I am interested toward negative side. Why? If it open like see, now this is like a best point for seller to do short to, like if it make a trend reversal pattern, this is the best point to short here. So I'm interested to add negative side until and unless it will open gap up. If it open gap up, then the point of seller will be gone and the buyers can try to make it upside. So if it open flat, then I am interested. If it open gap down also, then a little bit of buying pressure can come here. After that buying pressure, it is tricky to see whether it try to hold and try to go upside or try to move downside here. There is nothing here. Here I am actually bullish, little bit of bullish in this. Why? See, this is the trend line, it is continuously following, and now it is a point again. As we can see, whenever it tried to close near about this trend line, it tried to go upside. So here it is again come here. So our first point is to buy near about this area. If it like give a breakdown kind of thing, then also breakdown, retest and go, then I am interested to selling near about this area. But until and unless for now I am interested in buying side. Here in JNJ, as we can see, this is the point of resistance kind of thing here, and it is trying to move upside and upside. The angle, as we can see, it continuously going upside. So I am little bit of planning for a retracement kind of thing here, so interested to a selling side. Here in JPMS, we can see one again and again it is like hitting the support, but the thing here is that the point it is coming far from here to here. So I'm expecting a bullish side kind of thing here for now. Like if it will create a bullish candle near about this area, a buying side of pressure can come. After that pressure, if it give a negative side, we can plan to short with the very big as near about this is the point can be target near about us. But for now I am planning for an upside, like a if it give a upside momentum, then after that if it give a negative momentum, we can plan to do short here. But until and unless, let's just wait and see how things gonna work out here. Here is nothing for selling side, because as we can see, this is the point where it is trying to hit again and again. So if it open gap up kind of scenario, we can plan to go upside here. Here as we can see, this is the point where it is continuously hitting and hitting. Now after the giving upside breakout, the breakout failure kind of thing is looking like, but for breakout failure it has to go downside and cross this level at very fast. So initially if it open gap down kind of scenario, I'm interested towards selling side, but if it open gap up, then we can plan for buying side here. Here is nothing, here is nothing again. Here if we see, after this selling scenario, it is trying to go down. Now this is the point where like it has to give closing above this area, because this is the level acting as a resistance here. It has to like give a closing above this candle to sustain kind of thing here. Until if it don't give closing, then it can be a negative scenario for this here. Even if also if it like open gap down and I'm interested towards selling side, even open gap up, I'm interested towards selling side. Like it has to give closing above this area to let the buyers more do interest here. Here the thing is that, see, after this upside move, it is trying to go down. Now again this is the buying spot kind of thing here, so a little bit of buying pressure can come here near about this area. So we will just going to wait for an upside. Like it is continuously making a negative scenario here, so let it make a bullish kind of thing here, a retracement kind of thing here. After that bullish candle, if it go down, then we can plan to do short more, but until that we'll just going to wait here. And I'm planning for an upside kind of movement. Either if it open gap down also, I'm interested towards upside. Here there is nothing. I'm just want a holding kind of candle near about this area, so let's just wait. Interested to let's upside momentum kind of thing here. If it open gap down also, here same story again and again. If it open again, see the selling pressure has just started near about this level, so I'm waiting for, if it open gap down kind of thing, I'm interested toward buying. If it open flat kind of thing, I'm interested how buying. If it open flat, try to go downside even, and again try to go upside, then this is the point where we can try to catch, and this is the zone of resistance it can try to make. So if it open gap up, after that gap up, if it open gap up kind of scenario, if we try to go upside, I'm not interested in buying scenario. Now this is the point where we can try to short here. Like if it open flat, interested towards buying side. Open negative, plan to buying side. If it open gap up, then I'm interested towards selling side. Here there is nothing. I'm expecting a bullish side of momentum here. Let it make a green candle near about this level, and after that candle we can plan to break negative side here. Here there is nothing. Here this is the point where it is trying to make a support kind of thing. Like it can be in a volatility zone, because this is the point of resistance, this is the point of support, so it can try to create a choppiness here. So it's better to not to do anything here. Here there is nothing. Here actually I'm interested towards selling side. Like see, no doubt it is trying to create a upside type of momentum, but I am actually waiting for a negative side here on the intraday basis, because the buying pressure has started near about this level and it is going there. And if it give a breakout upside, then at a multiple time frame we can see a upside kind of thing it is creating. But the thing here is that even if it go upside, it has to create a negative kind of candle here. It will not go like a boom boom, like create multiple bullish candle here, it has to create a negative candle. So for that I am interested towards negative side. If it open gap up, I am interested toward you need negative side, like a retracement kind of scenario. After that retracement, we can plan for a buying side. Here there is nothing on buying side. Here again I am interested toward a retracement kind of scenario. Here let it make a retracement, then we can plan for upside. Here there is nothing, the trend is upside, so let's go with the trend kind of scenario for now. Here is also nothing. Here as we can see, this is the trend where it try to go downside, it can create negative swings here, and it here this is the point, it has touched multiple times here, so it can break near about this area. If it open gap up, then we can plan for upside. Until that we can plan for a negative side here. Here this is the trend is upside here. Now this is the point of like decision, like whether it will go upside or try to give downside. So here I am little bit interested toward negative side here, like in selling side on intraday basis. Here there is nothing. I'm actually little bit interested toward buying side. If it open gap down kind of scenario, we can plan for upside momentum here. Here is nothing, again nothing, again nothing here. Here is again nothing. Here as you can see, it is continuously making upside move, but the thing is that it can, if it like see, if it give breakout near about this area like breakdown, then we can plan to short here, or if it open gap up kind of scenario, we can plan to short here. Here now we can plan for upside, like if it open gap up kind of scenario, we can plan to upside here.